documentary maker and journalist, they are in jail. They are lost freedom just because they writing their own language, they writing their own, history. They want to tell outside the truth. This truth very, very important. I think after this all situation faced to outside, also after this whole situation, then me and all Chinese people, they get more and more know. We should say we all support, I all support free Tibetan, or support Tibetan writer, and especially I should say Dalai Lama in our society, in all Chinese people inside, especially we have mind persons inside. He's our great, it's honor, he's give this whole world is peace and also tell all world what's happening in today's Tibetan. So I think so this situation also can give our Chinese society, give our Chinese writer and Chinese intellectual society, give our more and more information. We should know what's happening. Also, I should tell people, it's my Tibetan writer sister. It's Wei Se, and her husband. It's Wang Lixiong. Wei Se now is house arrest in Beijing with her husband. So she is most important independent. It's literature and truly voice from inside China's representative. It's Tibetan. He tell us it's a lot of new situation, what's happening in China, in Tibetan area. He writing Chinese, tell all our, it's a writer and international society, his feeling, his suggestion, and he tell us what's happening in Tibetan. We through his website, we through his book, we through her, from her and her husband's all information. So we know in whole situation happening in Tibetan. So today, I think it's a very important moment. Today I see in here not so many Chinese, but since I decided coming here with all my Tibetan brother and sister together in here, it's protest against its Chinese government is do these things. They all tell me they are all in beyond and with you together. We all think your ping is our ping. Your ping is also my ping. So we all think we have to together ask the Chinese government and Chinese this regime. They can through its international, it's give them its heavy it's ask and critics. They can stop today's, in Tibetan area the situation. This is I want to give all today. Here's my Tibetan brother and sister. Also, I should say, I should tell them all. I should tell all the situation to our society. Especially, we have to through internet website, have to make a phone call, tell inside the Chinese people and friend. We all have to say today's situation. All because our regime, they did these things. So if we can do something, can do more, we should do. Also, in today's situation, behind, front of me, have 26. It's my brother and my sister, especially in these few months, they all so pink. I should ask, they are not have any more. It's you have to against and you do your real things against this local regime and this regime. Not it's immolation. This is so pity. So also, I feel this is my Chinese is a shame because our government do this. So I should give you this. I should give this say we do wrong. Also, I wish it's no more people. It's self-immolation. So I should give you all my this feeling. Sorry.